Okay, so we're going to be making the uh, the adjusting knob, and I have some just a piece of 1 inch diameter steel, and we got to put a knurl on here for a length of 200 thousandths, and then this will get turned down to 1/2 inch diameter for a length of 400 thousandths, and that'll get a blind 1/4 inch hole, and then that'll get cut off and faced, cleaned up. So all right, let's go ahead, and I got the lathe in back here. It's got it on a real slow speed. The knurl is just going to sit in this one spot. It's not going to move in the x-axis at all. I just got it. I just got the knurling wheel centered on the two marks I got scratched in there. I'm gonna lock my carriage down and feed it nice and easily. Lots of oil, and well, let's get going with this. This is a knurler from a little machine shop, and it's a squeeze type knurler, and I've had pretty good success with this. So all right, let's get it set up, and just try to find the center of this and tightening it gradually. And it's right about there. And okay, this is just 30 weight oil, which is just about empty. All right, I'll bring you back when I put some more oil in here. Okay, so I'm back. Put some 30 weight in here and lots of oil, and all right, let's go. Okay, we can go deeper than that. Okay, so what I got to do now is I got this knurl in place. Now I'm going to trim into that, and 400 thousandths on this end, and this is longer, so that'll get faced off afterwards, and that's going to get turned down to 1/2 inch, and then I'll come back and I'll put a groove where it's got to get parted off on that, and that'll give this the knurling will be 200 thousandths wide, and so once I get started, it'll be self-explanatory, I think. Okay, about 15 thousandths to go. Alright, 503. Take a tiny more cut on that. Okay, so I got to take 113 thousandths off of that. So, all right. And another 13 to go on that. Okay, so I had parted that off, and I turned it around now, and we'll just clean that up a bit more. Okay, so there's the knob, and just got to drill a hole through that, and we'll go over to the mill and take care of that operation. Okay, so got the piece, zoom you out a bit. So I got the piece in the mill vise like that, and got my little center finder tool here, and as you can see, as you go from one end to the other, the little mark moves with the witness mark there. So just bring that in so that's right lined up like that. And I'll lock the table in the X position now. Okay, and I just gotta drill the 1/16 of an inch hole, 1/8 of an inch back from this edge here. So I'll put an edge finder in there, find that edge, and move the table in the Y direction. Alright, so that's 1/8 of an inch back from the edge now. I'll put a center drill in there, center drill it, and drill a 1/16 of an inch hole.